Ano yung ibig sabihin kapag sinabing man up?
Man up. Actually, iba-iba siya kada season ng life ng isang lalaki. I think it's manning up kapag single ka and you're focusing on your single season instead na manlandi. When you focus on your growth, on your leadership, on learning all you can. Actually, may verse sa Bible, sabi, do yourself a favor and learn all you can. So, ibig sabihin, when you learn everything that you can learn, you're doing yourself a favor. And by doing that, you're preparing yourself para sa marriage.
So, manning up starts even before you pursue someone.
Yeah. So, it's not just about
Lakas ako ang loob ko, maninigaw ako.
but when you prepare yourself.
Or generally, doing what God designed you to do
Yeah.
as a man.
That's when you're single. Manning up also means kapag meron kang nararamdaman na may crush ka, may nagugustuhan ka. Manning up doesn't immediately mean na
Kailangan i-confess ko to. Lalakas ang loob ko, maninigaw ako.
but when you have feelings for someone, manning up means discerning that feeling if it's just a feeling or is it love, if it's time na
Making it
ba.
clear to yourself muna.
Oo. Di ba kasi minsan yung iba, mag-man up ka. Concept
Confess
nila.
agad.
Oh, confess mo
Oo,
yan.
tapang-tapangan na natin to.
Kasi pag lalaki ka, kailangan
Hindi mo kailangan pigilin na nararamdaman.
Yeah.
parang ganun yung concept ng mundo ng pagmaman up.
Oo.
Pero for me, manning up means you will discern that feeling, isasubmit mo yun kay Lord, and that will be actually your design sa marriage kasi sabi sa Bible, di ba? Head of the house ang lalaki. So, as early as being single, kapag ikaw ay may nafe-feel, you're leading yourself. Una, patungo kay Lord, you must submit it to the Lord. May kanta eh. Ayokong lumayo sa kalooban mo. Kung itong nadaramay hindi galing sa'yo, please Panginoon, pakitanggal po. When you feel something, ito na yun, Lord, na-feel ko eh. So, go na ako dito. But you submit it to the Lord.
Taking responsibility
Yeah.
of that feeling na hindi dahil naramdaman mo, kailangan confess or
Yeah.
guluhin mo na agad yung buhay ng isa.
And then, manning up also means, kapag nasa season ka na, you go and pursue. Dito na ipapasok yung with confidence and boldness na concept ng mundo, di ba? Natapangan mo, lakasan mo loob mo. Nasa season ka na,
Clear na sa'yo, galing
Oo.
kay Lord.
Nasa season na din yung babae.
Manning up means,
taking the right steps. Of course, submit pa rin kay Lord. I know it's your time. You confirm that it's your will. Lord, help me with this. And going through the right process.
wag itago.
Wag i-delay if
I-delay.
it's the right time na. Kasi ganun kagulo yung mundo eh. Hindi pa season, nag-go-go. Pag
Tapos kung kaya season na,
ayaw.
tama.
Meron ako mga kilalang ganyan. Parang
Yeah,
nasa
yeah.
season na, ano ba yan? Ayaw pa mag-go. Nakakatawa kasi may nag-message sa page na they are in the season na. Sabi niya, dahil daw sa videos natin, nagkaroon siya ng lakas ng loob na this year, January, pinag-fasting niya.
Wow!
This month lang, sinagot siya ng babae.
Congratulations!
Tapos sabi niya sa Lord nung January, Lord, pag ako sinagot niya, magpo-propose ako ng December. They are 29 and 30, working na, stable sa ministry, para silang ginagamit ni Lord. Nakakatawa kasi that man really manned up. Congratulations, bro. Helpful yung prayer and fasting kasi you are telling God na, Lord, I'm in the season, but help me. I can do this alone. Going through the right process. May leader yan sa church.
Harapin yung authorities.
Yung
Harapin yung parents.
Yeah.
Kunin yung blessing.
Yeah. Before
Hindi
telling
lang-
it to the
yes.
person.
Hindi
Manning up.
dinaan sa landi.
Hindi na sa
tamang
MU,
process.
sa chat, sa talking stage. Kasi yung
Oo.
talking stage, yung situationship, that's cowardness.
Oo,
Pagiging
tama.
duwag yun.
Yung nilalandi mo bago
Oo.
mag-play ng tamang intention
Yeah.
at saka gawin yung tamang process.
Ano yun eh, parang securing na, sure ba to, may feeling, sure
Oo,
ba to
bago
na,
ligawan, parang
Oo.
gusto mo muna landiin or i-check. Oo.
may in or out.
Oo.
Kaya siya nagpupunta sa situationship, sa landian, sa talking stage. Ayoko namang i-blame ang boys, pero leaders kasi tayo boys eh. So it is
You
on
initiate
us. Yeah, we
kung saan
initiate.
pupunta.
We lead.
Kahit pa sabihin na,
Yung palay na kasing lumalapit na ano.
ano yun, possessed yung palay.
May authority ka para i-cast out yan. As man, you are responsible to take the lead. Manning up also means kapag kayo na, you also lead the relationship. You learn to love as Christ loved the church kasi papunta yung marriage eh. When you're in a relationship, you discern also when it's season na in next level na yan into proposal and then soon is marriage. Yeah, kung nandun ka, nasa relationship ka na, and you're a man, you have to man up. Huwag mo nang patagalin, especially you're sure. Papasok ka sa dating, you really have to be sure na magpapakasal ka na. If you are sure and you know you're in that season, man up, propose, and kasala na yan.
So yeah, boys, now you know how to man up. Man up.